In primetime news this evening, mold outrage. Workers protest unsafe office conditions. Tears and candles. Community remembers slain St. Augustine. And another arrest made in NCB phishing scam.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. In the financial week, SMEs urged to embrace digital payments.
And Spencer Darlington will be telling us what Sabina Park will be embracing starting tomorrow. Spencer, what's coming up in sports?
Yes, thanks, Gio. Well, it's all systems go for the historic pink ball test at Sabina Park. And there were two impressive Jamaican winners at the Monaco Diamond League meet today. We'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking what more can be done to encourage medium and small-sized businesses to go cashless.
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.